If you see a blinking orange light on your Xfinity router, it usually means the gateway is struggling to establish a stable internet connection. In most cases, it's either trying to lock onto a downstream signal from your service provider, experiencing a temporary signal interruption, or installing a firmware update. If the light just appeared, give it about 20 to 30 minutes first, since automatic updates can temporarily interrupt connectivity. If the orange light continues, restart both your modem and router by unplugging them for about 60 seconds, then plugging them back in and waiting for a full reboot. This clears temporary network glitches and often restores service. Next, check for a service outage in your area using the Xfinity app or website. If there's an outage, you'll simply need to wait for service restoration. Inspect all physical connections carefully. Make sure the coaxial cable is tightly screwed in with no bends or damage. Ethernet cables click securely into place, and the power cable is firmly connected. If possible, connect a computer directly to the router with an Ethernet cable to determine whether the issue is Wi-Fi related or a full internet signal problem. Also ensure the router has proper airflow and isn't overheating inside a cabinet or behind other electronics. If nothing resolves the issue, perform a reset. A quick power cycle is safest, but if needed, hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds to restore factory settings. If the blinking orange light persists after these steps, contact Xfinity support for deeper line testing or hardware diagnostics.